Men, if you want to look good with your shirt off, then you need to make these high protein, sweet and sour chicken kimchi fried rice meal preps. We're gonna do 1,000 grams chicken tenders. Chicken tenders are superior to all other chicken in the protein to calorie ratio. Take your chicken tenders, cut it into cubes. I also took the tendons out. 2 teaspoons black pepper. 2 teaspoons onion powder. 30 grams garlic paste. 100 grams sugar-free ketchup. 50 milliliters soy sauce. 20 milliliters rice vinegar. We're gonna mix this up. "75 milliliters fresh pineapple juice." Give it one more mix. Chicken should look like this when you're done. We're gonna add in 250 grams cubed pineapple, 60 grams of each color bell pepper cubed, 75 grams of a red onion cubed. Once you got all your bell peppers, onions, and pineapple in, mix it up, and then it's gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Give this a good mix. Should look like this when you're done. We're gonna do a drizzle of honey over the top. And into the oven we go. Spray of oil in the pan. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Cook till fragrant. Next add in 150 grams carrots, 80 grams onion, chopped. Cook for 5 or 6 minutes till soft. Once soft, scoot it to one side. Drop in 2 beaten eggs and 60 grams of egg whites. Cook it on that side, scramble it till it's done. Once scrambled, mix it all together. Once combined, add 600 grams cooked rice and 100 grams of chopped kimchi. 50 milliliters of kimchi juice from the jar. 20 milliliters of soy sauce. Decided to go with 20 more milliliters of soy sauce. Give it a good stir, mix it till colorful. This is how your rice should look when finished. You're gonna make these on repeat, trust me.